Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Today is a two-parter, a dessert and an entree. Cinnamon apple cake. Here's the mise en place for the cinnamon apple cake. The prep. And all the dry ingredients together. Some of the wet ingredients. All the wet ingredients mixed. We add the dry ingredients. Then we add the apples. And all mixed up. And a prepped baking pan. And ready to go in the hot box. The cake is in the hot box. This is the cake just out of the hot box. Here's in a cooling rack. And here's the final cinnamon apple cake. Next up, ginger garlic coconut shrimp noodles. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The second mise en place in order of appearance. Getting the ghee nice and hot. Sauteing the veggies for about a minute. Add the stock and the coconut milk. And now adding the shrimp. And we add the udon noodles. And here's the finished dish. And here it is in final presentation. Thank you for coming to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Tonight was cinnamon apple cake and ginger garlic coconut shrimp noodles. Have fun cooking.